touch that fire for you. I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I thought I liked you, that bitch I do it all. I won't cry, I'm scared it's blue. I'm not. Long as you joking, now answer me. I ain't got it. I've been scheming through it. Hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Sweet Life of Shana. You know it's your girl Shana. Of course, welcome back. So guys, today we're in the kitchen. We're gonna cook shrimp fried rice with salmon. So if you want to know how to cook that, just stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, tell a friend to subscribe to the Sweet Life of Shana, and don't forget to turn on that post notification bell. Yes guys, turn on that bell. Love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.